angle grinder. Get the hammer over there.
Which hammer?
Yeah.
No, we're not using that hammer. No.
Oh, why not?
We're gonna use a regular hammer. Where's the regular hammer?
It's a baby.
I'm not a baby.
Anyway.
And where's the pickaxe? We need something to pick at it. Is there something like pickle?
Pickle?
Yeah.
There's some pickles here. Hammer. And a pickle. Whatever that thing is. Say,
chisel.
Chisel.
Tell me where.
Well, that big thing here.
Okay.
Where this line is, this crack line.
Okay.
Who's behind it?
Just right here?
Yeah, so behind it.
Look right here?
Yeah. Yeah, grind that out. I put one wood here.
Why one wood? What?
Put one wood here, so
Okay.
there's the bottom part to make the edge.
Yeah.
And put another one here and screw these two together somehow. Here's a little secret. I don't know how to read that.
It's
4.5, looks like.
It's 4.5. It's one. It's 2/8. It's a quarter. No, a quarter.
I don't know how to read that.
Shut up. Why do we need that?
So you put another wood frame here, presumably cutting the top off.
Yeah, but it can be high. It doesn't matter.
No, we got to pitch it correctly.
What do you mean pitch it?
Pitch it down so when the water comes off,
Uh-huh.
it'll come off, not go back that way.
I don't understand.
So if we have it higher than this,
Mm-hmm.
it may settle higher. It may level itself out with the patio. The water won't stream off.
Okay.
It'll just move back that way.
Okay.
We don't want that happening. We want water to come down.
Okay.
So we need to pitch it down a little. So we need to measure it just, this is already pitched. So if we
Okay.
measure up to here, this thing,
Uh-huh.
we'll get the perfect pitch. I got brains, I can know.
And this is...
Same thing, almost.
No, that's 3 and a quarter.
Let's cut some wood.
Okay.
Oh, it's perfect.
That is perfect. Well, that's for the front one.
Yeah, it needs to be like that.
Yes.
How do you keep this one from not coming off? You need to screw it onto the one on the bottom. I hate using this thing.
Why?
Because it's loud and terrible, terrifying.
Now, everyone at home, know that you're supposed to use gloves
And mask.
and masks.
Eye protection.
Yeah, and
Closing your eyes is not eye protection.
and then this.
It's too short. 9 inch, right?
Yeah, it's about 1 inch short. So we got to get something that's thicker.
Actually, we use shims on the bottom.
Yeah, what I'm saying is we don't shim it.
That's pretty stable.
We can shim it with another piece of wood.
Yeah, one of this. Yeah, I measured it. You know what we need?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. If it's not same size, you can kick me in the face. Kick me right in the face.
Oh, it's not the same size.
That's not
kick in
short.
the face.
That's
Got
not
a kick in the face.
For eyeballing, that's not pretty bad.
You eyeballed it. I knew you did.
So what the hell's your plan?
So first we put one down.
Yeah. It's pretty good. Okay.
So we have to basically grind that out.
Yeah. It's a pretty birdie. Can I cut this first?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. See if this works.
Oh, let me see. Let me get a. Nice, like archaeologists. Yes, we found a hole. Very big hole. Let me get all this loose crap out.
Do we need to get the loose crap out?
Yeah, this is not a hole. Watch it. Hey, don't do that.
Like this?
Yeah, see which way opens up. It's okay.
It opens up
this
like
one goes in then.
Yeah.
That one goes in there. Hey, first get this thing in. Don't get the screw out.
Yeah.
Shove the guy all the way in as possible.
Well, that's as much as you
No, don't hammer it. I hammered it. I broke it. Remember?
Oh.
That's too much?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's screw it with the thing. Fine. Make sure it's tight in there.
Yeah.
There, see? Solid. Cool.
Yeah.
This is called ghetto contracting. Everybody's looking at us like, oh my god, you guys are retarded.
What are they doing? Don't they know? You're not supposed to bend your arms. You cut here, cut here, and then you can fit it in there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then this, I'm gonna put
up above it.
oh something. I have to do something weird with. Wait. Oh.
Well, now we know if it's stable. Close your eyes for it. You'll get us enough.
Oh,
that's how you do it. Alright, so that's our finished, somewhat product. Now we're gonna have to wait till it dries a bit and then put concrete in there.
Hardest things to mix. Did you do this on purpose? Hey, let's.
He looks so old and sad.
Yeah, he does. Imagine I dropped my phone on top.
Oh, look, he's grabbing something. Let me give it to him.
Did a
Half
proper.
decent job.
I wouldn't say half.
Oh, yeah, it's a third.
Okay, and we're taking off the wood blocks.
Derp. Don't look that bad. There you go.
It's still wet back there. Oh, that's where the hole was, right?
Yeah.
But wow, look at that. Look at that edge. You just have to finish it off. Do you know how to kill ants?
Step on it.
Popcorn. Yeah, kernels. You crunch it up a little bit.
Crunch it up.
Yeah, and you put it out. It's the grain, the kernels.
Yeah.
They take it to their nest.
There.
They eat. All of them eat it, and it works like a desiccant. It dries them out. They can't digest it.
That's mean.
And it kills out the entire colony.
You're mean.
Baby, mom, dad.
You're a murderer.
You're not a murderer.
You're a killer, man.